This front porch has got to be one of my most favorite parts of this home, because sitting here right now, swinging is so incredibly peaceful, and I can imagine you buying this home and being able to sit out here, enjoy some peace and quiet, a nice cup of tea, and just like people watch as everybody's walking through in the neighborhood. When this home hits the market, for you to be able to see, we are going to be one of the lowest priced homes in the neighborhood. This means that you have the opportunity to build so much equity in this solid home in a great neighborhood. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and lots of space spread out over both floors. Within this neighborhood, we have lots of younger families, first-timers buying homes, and it's a great safe place for you to want to live. But what's even better is right across the street from this home, we've got a school as well as a rec center. So your little ones can be enjoying the school, and people of all ages can be at the rec center playing soccer, playing hockey, and enjoying so many things that this amazing neighborhood has to offer. If you love going for nice walks and being able to shop within walking distance of your home, you've got Corydon just north of here, where you've got all these cute local places for you to pick up amazing things. But just north of that, you also have Wellington, where they're going to close down the street for you in the summertime, and you can enjoy beautiful walks alongside these gorgeous homes down by the river.